I'm Arbin Thapaliya. I am Associate Professor of Physics at Franklin College. If you come to my class, you will see me suspending from a rope swing, singing physics songs in class, launching watermelons with giant catapults, lying on a bed of 5,000 nails and getting struck by a sledgehammer. I teach all my classes at Franklin either using a flipped classroom approach or a project-based learning approach or some combination of both because I want my students to get excited about science not just through lectures but through hands-on interactive learning. And as a faculty, I feel really encouraged and supported by the college to step outside of the traditional teaching practices and explore and apply more engaging and experiential learning approaches. My enthusiasm sort of naturally translates into a more positive and engaging experience for my students. And I think teaching isn't just about delivery of content. I think it's more about creating an environment where both my students and I can grow together. As Einstein once said, I have no special talents, I'm only passionately curious. And I want my students to embrace that curiosity, whether it's in the classroom or beyond, and be confident in their ability to solve problems and learn from every experience. I want them to leave with a better understanding of themselves, their passions, and apply what they have learned to solve real-world problems. I still remember my first day on campus when I came here for a job interview, and this was back in March of 2016. I felt very welcomed and there was a strong sense of community on campus. They were telling me about how much they loved the hands-on learning environment on campus, and they were also telling me about the amazing projects they were working on. And for them, it wasn't just about grades. They were genuinely excited about the knowledge and skills that they were gaining from all the experiences at Franklin College. For me, this connection with students resonated really well, and the strong sense of community really solidified my decision to come to Franklin. I found my future at Franklin College.